How to get Facebook profile link on mobile. That's what we're going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comments section any suggestion or question that you have. Also make sure to watch our previous videos and tutorials. We have playlists for many apps, and let's get started. So here we are on iPhone or on iOS. We're gonna now go to on Facebook. So let's search for Facebook. The search, click on Facebook, and then after this, when Facebook opens for us, let's go to any profile that we want to copy a link from it. Let's go to this profile, for example. And now what we need to do now is just click on the three dots just beside or on the right of message button here. And now here is the profile link for the profile we just opened, and then we click on copy link. Now link is in the clipboard. Now if you want to do the same with the page, let's say Mo Salah's page, as you can see the three dots here, click on it, and here is Mo Salah's page, a link, copy link, and here the page link is copied, and you're gonna paste it and share it wherever you want and with whom you want. And this makes it much easier to access and share pages on WhatsApp or messages apps. And that's it. It was very simple and very easy. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comments section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.